Then you want to bring up the Brickhouse Security Camera Setup tool. When the program comes up, you'll see it says DVR connected. If it's red and it's not connected, unplug the unit from the computer and replug it back in. First thing I always do, you're on the date time tab. I always sync the date time to the DVR from your computer. Date time, update it. Then go to settings. Now what I'm going to go through are the settings of what I use on the Brickhouse camera with the Dissembler. The Dissembler does not use the PIR sensor because usually the distance is too far for the camera to pick anything up. So to get the most video out of your camera, you want to set video quality to medium, resolution 1280 by 720, frame rate low, day-night mode, auto switching, orientation, this is important, vertical flip, timestamp enabled, circular recording, I always disable. I just want to record until the SD card is full or the battery is dead. Split file time, this is up to you. I always pick 20 minutes. PIR trigger disabled, voice trigger disabled. This camera does not have a microphone, but it does pick up. This camera does not record audio, but there is a voice trigger to turn on the recording. I always disable that. Vibration disabled. Motion trigger. For this example, I'm going to disable it. I'm just going to use scheduled recording. You can use motion trigger recording with the Dissembler unit. It's different from the PIR trigger. I'm going to click on schedule recording, and before I go into edit, I'm just going to sync those settings to the camera. Alright, so all those settings we made have been synced to the camera, and in the instructions that are provided, I have images if you need to go over what settings I used. So I'm going to go into edit, schedule recording, and let's say I want to record Sunday, Monday, Tuesday for about 10 hours each day. Left click on your mouse and drag. So I'm going to go from 6 to, let's see, 6 to 4. And you get your option, always record. That's what I'm going to do because I didn't set any of the triggered recordings enabled in the settings. If I did enable motion trigger, I could select that. And then I want to do for the second day, and then the third day. And once you're finished with that, I'm going to hit OK, and then I need to resync it. And now I've completed the programming of the camera. You then close the program and unplug the camera from the computer, and you're ready to place it inside the camera housing once you turn it on.